Hi everyone, it's me Jennifer, and I want to show you some Happy Mail I got. I ordered a mystery bag from Slip Stitch Studios. So this is Slip Stitch Studios. I'm waiting for it to come in. Come on. That's Slip Stitch Studios. They have their own website. So I ordered a mystery bag from them, and I love it. So the first thing, well, it's not the first thing I saw in the bag, but anyway, I've opened it up and started using the items before I've recorded this. So here's one thing I got in the bag. It is a triangle bag, right here, and it is so adorable. It's actually got like knitting sayings on all over it. Knitting Queen, Girls Rule, and it's written all over it. It does zip up very easily, right there. And inside the bag, which is so cool, there's like this snap clip, so you could put a ring on here with your stitch markers, and it would hold on to it. So this makes a really great notions pouch. I absolutely love this. This is phenomenal. Love that. And then I got this right here. You're going to notice the theme in just a minute. So look at that. I love that snap right there with the cat on it. And there's another one here. It has a pocket here for notions, and it will zip shut. This is for knitting, and this is a double points needle or a needle minder. So when you have a project on it, it's got 3 snaps. You can keep your needles safe. They call this a needle nook, which is great. I love that. And of course, you know, the Slip Stitch Studios. I love that. And then I got what I call a yarn burl. It's got a cat on it. I loved it. And it's got yarn and stuff and knit stuff on it. It's fantastic. I loved it. So when you have yarn in a cake, this is perfect for putting over the cake, and it stretches really well. Love that. That's great. I got some other big things over here to show you. I got these charms that I can put on to make stitch markers. So there's the 2 charms. The top one says Potty Potty, and I can't read the bottom one. Top one said Potty Potty. This one says Radiate Positivity. So Potty Potty and Radiate Positivity. And then there's one more, which is their logo, which I think is so totally adorable. And it says Slip Stitch Studios. I love that. And I got more. I got some more. And then this is a medium project bag. And yeah, Froggy's already stuck yarn in it. I know. I love this. It is a drawstring here. And it has a pinch clip to keep it shut. So it is a drawstring. It has a handle on it. And this is canvas. It is a box bottom. And oh, there's the other side. Take my yarn out of there. And it's got pockets on the inside that match the outer. I got cat hair on me. Outer fabric, which is great. And it is really, really deep. As you can see, I'm putting that skein in here standing up, and you can't even see it. I mean, I'm standing that skein up, and it holds quite a bit of yarn. I still have all this room. I mean, tons of room in here. That holds quite a bit. I'm not done. And then I got this huge, extra large bag. This is huge. I am in love with this bag. It's got these pockets here, right here, and right here. Big, huge bag. Box bottom, heavy canvas. Right there. And it comes up like this. It's got a drawstring with the pinch clip. Okay. And I'm going to fold that down. I'm going to fold that over. I'm not coordinated today. I'm going to fold that over. That's so you can keep everything in your tote. It is canvas, heavyweight canvas on the inside. Let me pull that out. And I've already filled this up with yarn. It's got pockets over here. You can see there's 3 pockets on this side. And I turn it around, and I've got the 3 big pockets over on this side in there, which is amazing. Yes, it is super deep. That is a pound of love in there, and big skeins of yarn. This is a crap ton of polyfill that's in that bag. And it's got 4 of these snaps, so you can thread your yarn through it and feed it. Or, and it come with this. This is a snappy top. You can put yarn in this and feed your yarn, and it's got a drawstring on it. I actually put my tot on here, on one of them by the ring, which is so cool. And you can feed your yarn from right here. It is so cool. But oh my gosh, this thing is like got mega pockets in it. These pockets are huge. But I'm going to give you an idea of what I'm carrying in this bag, and I still have tons of room. Look at all this polyfill. Big skeins of yarn. And more yarn. And the mega skein over there. Oh wow, threads. And leave the threads in my pocket. But this bag is, oops, sorry. I'm trying not to open the pocket. Sorry. Here we go. There we go. This bag is huge. Huge. And you can see there's another snap clip here. There's 4 snap clips in this thing. This bag is ginormous. Ginormous. I love this bag. It is a big box bottom. And it is the heavyweight canvas. You can hear it. Oh my gosh. This was like so worth everything. I think this bag is like $200 and some. So for all of the stuff that I just got, for everything, I paid $150. That's it. For everything. Oh, I had one more thing I didn't show you. I'll show you in just a second. I have to get everything back in my bag. I'm making some amigurumis. Let me put my top back in here. I mean, this thing is just filled with pockets everywhere. There's so many pockets. And of course you have this to drawstring to keep everything in your bag so you don't lose anything. And she gave me a button. It says, "Crochet is sexy." This was well worth every penny that I spent on it. I mean, oh my gosh, it was $150. This is well worth it. Absolutely. Because if you go to her website and you see what the extra large tote costs, you'll understand. But this is well worth it. Each bag is very well made. She has all kinds of different styles. So I am so glad I bought this. I can't wait for her mystery bags to come back because I'll probably buy another mystery bag. I love it. But you guys, go and check out her website, Slip Stitch Studios. Go check her out. She does some beautiful work, and her bags are very well made. Absolutely. So I hope you enjoyed this. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.